Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a payment method on Google Play. So first, open Google and then search for Google Play. If you have Google Play installed on your laptop, then you may open that. But in my case, I'll open this one here and then click on Android apps in Google Play. Once you're in here, make sure you're logged into your account by clicking your icon on the upper right part of the screen, this one. So click on this and I'm logged into my account. Now what you need to do is to click on payments and subscriptions. Now as you can see in here, there is a payment method registered. So as I want to remove that, click on edit payment methods. Just wait for it to load. And then you'll have an option in here to remove. Click remove, then click remove. Right, as you can see in here, my payment method or the bank account that I have registered before is not on my account anymore. And that's how to remove a payment method on Google Play. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.